Suggests that the Delta variant dominated during the second COVID-19 wave in India. There is growing concern now about its most recent mutation. It's called the Delta Plus variant, and it's made its traces visible now in a few states. How much of a threat is this variant to India? Milind Sharma gets you the details.
Delta Plus, the new variant of coronavirus, is spreading slowly in India. 21 cases of Delta Plus have been detected in Maharashtra. The state government says 9 cases are from Ratnagiri, 7 from Jalgaon, 2 from Mumbai and 1 each from Palghar and Sindhudurg Thane. Cases are also detected in Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala. The centre has asked the 3 states to be on alert.
आज स्वास्थ्य मंत्रालय ने इन राज्यों को एक एडवाइजरी जारी करके ये बताया है व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ रिस्पांस दैट महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश एंड केरला शुड इनिशिएट, which presently looks fairly small in terms of number, but we would not want this to assume significant proportions.
The Delta variant had triggered the second wave that stretched India's health infrastructure to the limits. The fear is that latest variant could evade immunity induced by vaccines and previous infection.
This virus can infect people and can be responsible for the third wave. So it has to be the totally a social responsibility to prevent this third wave from the Delta Plus.
India could perhaps learn from the UK experience. A study done by Public Health England shows 2 doses of AstraZeneca vaccine is 92% effective against hospitalization due to the Delta variant. But there are concerns as well. From February 1 to June 14, 73 deaths were reported in Britain owing to Delta variant. 34 of them weren't vaccinated. 11 had received 1 dose of COVID vaccine. 26 had received both shots.
Scientists are still working to understand this virus, and particularly now with these mutating viruses. And for safety, the only weapon we have is vaccination. AstraZeneca is equivalent to Covishield of India. It is definitely effective, almost 80 to 90% if you had both the doses of this vaccine.
With the Delta Plus variant, the immediate question is, could it be a contributing factor to the impending third wave in India? Experts believe that one should move on precedents, because even though the Delta variant, the parent variant, was seen in India in a few cases in December 2020, emerging evidence shows that it was the one that wreaked havoc across the country in the second wave of COVID-19. Right now, more sequencing will need to be done from each and every district where the Delta Plus is being reported from. With Dinesh Lal in New Delhi, this is Milind Sharma for India Today.